Be honest, have you started learning to code, felt motivated for a few days, then got stuck, overwhelmed, and quietly stopped? That doesn't mean you're lazy or not a tech person. Most people quit because they're using a method that creates quitting. Binge tutorials, copy along, then panic the moment you're alone with a blank screen. So here's the easiest way to learn coding without giving up. A simple system that builds momentum, even if you're busy. The 1-1-1 method. Every session, aim for 20 to 45 minutes. Do one tiny lesson, plus one tiny build, plus one tiny improvement. One tiny lesson, don't binge. Pick one concept only. Variables, if statements, loops, functions, arrays, DOM events, whatever you're learning. Rule: stop the lesson as soon as you understand the idea, not when the video ends. The goal isn't consuming, it's using. 2. One tiny build. The secret sauce. Immediately build something small using that concept. Ugly is fine. Fast is the point. Examples: variables, hello, name, program. Conditionals, age checker. Can you enter? Loops, countdown, print 1 to 50. Functions, tip or loan calculator. Arrays is a simple shopping list. Web dev button changes text. Mini to-do list. Keep it so small you can finish in 10 to 20 minutes. Finishing creates the feeling of progress. Progress is what makes you continue. 3. One tiny improvement where learning sticks. Now add one improvement to the same build. Add user input instead of hard-coded values. Handle errors, empty input, invalid number. Refactor messy code into a function. Add one extra feature, reset button, delete item. Add comments explaining what each block does. This step is gold because you learn by changing things, not by copying. The no-zero rule. Consistency without burnout. Your only real goal: never hit zero. On a rough day, do the minimum. Open your editor and write 5 lines. That protects your identity. I'm someone who codes, and once you start, you usually keep going. What to learn? Simple roadmap. Focus on fundamentals first. Variables, data types, conditionals, loops, functions, arrays, objects. Then choose one lane. Web, DOM, plus events, plus fetch APIs. Python, files, APIs, automation. Don't learn everything. Pick a lane and build. When you're stuck, the stuck protocol. Stuck isn't failure, it's the curriculum. 1. Write the goal in plain English. When I click, the text changes. 2. Write what you tried. 3. Ask a better question. What does this error mean? How do I log this variable? Your 7-day challenge. For the next 7 days, do 1-1-1 daily. That's it. If you want help, comment Python or JavaScript, and I'll reply with a 7-day plan plus tiny project ideas. Remember, the easiest way to learn coding without giving up isn't grinding harder. It's learning smaller, building immediately, and improving one.